Hi, this is Eve Gassman. Welcome to our MAT0028 Developmental Math 2 course. I'm thrilled that you've registered for Developmental Math 2, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you. Please explore the orientation module, the lab resource module, the prerequisite module, read our syllabus, and get started immediately. This is a second course in a college preparatory 2-course sequence designed to supplement the algebraic background of students prior to taking intermediate algebra. Course topics include fundamental operations with polynomials, solving linear equations and inequalities with applications, graphing of linear equalities, factoring and its use in algebra, rational expressions, and introduction to radicals. This class may be different than other ones you've taken at Valencia. It'll only last half of the fall semester, H2, and will be fully online. This means that we'll need to complete an entire semester in only 8 weeks. So we'll be moving very quickly, but don't worry. I'll be here at your side to guide you on every step of the way to the finish line. I'll be keeping a close eye on your progress and will be encouraging you along the way. This course content is organized in Canvas, and you'll be required to access the complete course in Canvas. Number 1, go through all the information in the Let's Get Started module. Many of the pages have important links to resources to support you. Remember to check out all this information. Most of your questions will be answered there. Number 2, give the syllabus and the orientation information another look to prepare you for the orientation syllabus scavenger hunt quiz. Once the 2 required academic attendance activities, both the orientation syllabus scavenger hunt quiz and the introduce yourself to the class discussion are completed, you'll be able to access the rest of the course. Next, go ahead to the week 1 module and the links on the left Canvas navigation bar to familiarize yourself with how everything will operate. I also put a video in the orientation module to help you navigate through the Canvas-based course. You'll need to make sure you read each week's overview, beginning of every week's module. We'll be using the online OpenStax textbook and linking it to the iMathAS inside Canvas for your homework. Both are free, which is great. As you will see, each module will contain textbook sections, instructional videos, and homework assignments. Our course contains a mandatory lab component with assignments, which may be a 2-part submission, a website, a Kahoot game, or a practice test. These lab assignments, along with the discussions and all the assessments, are listed towards the bottom of the weekly modules. Our awesome lab facilitators, Naraya and Erica, will host 5 weekly lab support sessions on Zoom to help you with the lab assignments. I strongly recommend you to attend a minimum of 2 of these awesome lab support sessions each week. My primary goal is for all of you to be successful. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me for help along our journey.